Loves and Bossing, as you can see, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Pullen Bags. Mga Madam Loves and Bossing, thank you so much for trusting Baggage PH all the way. Ang gaganda, mga Madam Loves. This is Pullen, mga Madam. It's a French leather goods founded by the three siblings, Anton, Elsa, and Matthew. It was made by high-quality Italian leather. And then yung mga draftsman po niya, yung mga gumagawa niyan, they are located in Brick, Spain. So, nandun din po yung warehouse ni Pullen nasa Spain. Since 2016, mga Madam Loves and Bossing, napakalaki na naging expansion ni Pullen from Spain na naging worldwide po talaga sila, mga Madam Loves, in just the span of 3 years in the market. Maraming nagmahal sa product na ito kasi nga, bukod sa napakaganda, very affordable compared to the other luxury brands. Kahit ganun yung prices nila, hindi po nako-compromise yung quality ng leather na meron po sila. Pullen Bags design are combined minimalism and creative expression. As you can see on their design, very minimal lang po yung mga print nila, talagang isa lang. And ang pagiging creative nila, nilalabas nila dun sa design and work ng bag. So if you want to pre-order din po nito or may hinahanap po kayong particular design and color po ni Pullen Bags, just let us know by messaging us on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, account, mga Madam Baggage PH. So mga Madam Loves and Bossing, this one is the Dix. This one is a new wave design. As you can see, napakaganda po niya. And then this one is the classic Dix. So, nag-pre-order sila last January 2025 before the price increase of Pullen Bags. And tomorrow, we will release everything. So, ito naman po yung set design, mga Madam Loves and Bossing. This one in large size. And ito po siya, kanyang design. And then this one naman po, ito po yung mga mini bags nila Madam Loves na in order. This one is in new. And then this one is the Very. And thank you so much po. The small and big size of new. It comes with a sling. And ayan siya, ganito. Itsura niya po. Ito naman po yung mga sign, mga Madam. This is the sign mini. And as you can see, napakarami niyo pong in-order na sign mini. Mas mahirap hanapin ang sign mini kaysa sa sign big. Kasi yung big, masyado na siyang big. And this one naman po is good for traveling. These are the other colors of numero 1, mga Madam. Napakaganda, diba? This one is in medium size. Merong super micro, yung napakamura na 17,880. However, napakaliit lang po nun. And then this is the classic size. Ito po yung best seller size po nila. So, ayan po. Napakaganda. So, this one naman po is the Tonka. However, ito lang po yung available na small size. And yung color niya, yung Tonka. And ayan po, this one is salmon color. And then this one is the nude. Napakahirap po hanapin ang color na ito, mga Madam. Almost all sold out in other colors. Kaya sobrang swinerte si Madam dito sa kulay na ito. This one naman po, mga Madam, this is Smoky. One of my favorite design in Pullen. Very quiet luxury siya. So, ayan po siya, mga Madam. It comes also with a sling, as you can see on the back of the bag. Loves, if you want to know more about us, we're here located at Ayala Malls, Cloverleaf, Quezon City. You can reach us through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Threads account, Baggage PH. Nandito po ang inyong likod. So muli pong pre-order, samahan niyo po kami, Baggage PH.